Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. And yeah, in this video, I'm going to the food truck competition. But currently, as the time is right now, as the day is right now, I'm going for another cow meat. You know, yeah, look at Tulu. Tulu is there. Is there? But yeah, I'm going for a cow meat right now. I'm going with Simi. Hey, where's Simi? Touch it. But yeah, we're going for a camera right now. This one, I feel like majority of my friends are going for this one right now. Hopefully you get, because they all said I pull it up, so I hope they pull up at the end of the day, you get me? But yeah, make sure you guys like, subscribe and share. And yeah, we're going to the camera. I'm actually excited because I'm using this new camera. It's a GoPro camera, and this is my first time using it and all, and I hope like the quality is nice. Like what? Yeah, I hope the quality like comes out really good at the end. Hey, this one is there. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can see me, I'm probably glowing, but I hope the quality comes out top notch because I spent a lot of money on this camera and everything, so I shall see the results, you get me? So as I said earlier, make sure you guys like, subscribe and share. And yeah, this video is going to be another banger.
With JJ in the fucking car. How are you doing? Started fucking flipping me off for some reason, bro.
Wait, aren't you gonna rev your car?
Hell no.
Yo, where's this guy? Oh fuck, push it up. Nah, that's some crazy shit, can't even lie. Where my guy? Yeah. Chill, Molly, I'll catch you later, bro. I'm trying to look for my other guys. Yeah. So yeah, we're at the car meetup right now. You get that plenty more cars than it was the last time. You get me? And now I'm trying to look for my guys, which yeah, where the fuck are they, bro? Oh shit, I found them. Yo, Shedrock. I thought, is that the guy? The guy you're racing?
No.
Oh, sure.
That one is more like grey,
Oh,
not white.
First.
This is the like M series of Stoner Scout.
Between this year and next year, man.
That is clean.
Alpha Stoner. That other one is also this.
Yeah, even get ready to guy.
M340i. Yeah. But your one is just M330i, right?
Yeah,
Your one is 330i. Sorry, I said M330i.
Look at this dude. Oral farming.
I thought you were done recording.
Nope, I just checked my battery.
Your battery is still good.
Yeah, no, my battery. My still got good.
This is a sign to work hard, guys.
Bro, see the waves that are here, bro. Bro. Yeah, it's even true. I was going to take you guys around. I promise you guys I'm going to do. I think the last time I didn't do it properly. But yeah, this I'm going to do it. Yeah, so let's start with this. You get, I think this is an S5. You get, this is an S5. Shit's crazy. I showed you guys this car the last time. You get, it's just really cool. Then, man, I don't know. To be honest, let me know. Like, I don't know anything about cars like that. You get, I just like the way they look. If it looks good, by the grace of God, I'll get it. You get, but yeah, yo, Stoner, which car is this?
M340i.
MT10?
M340i.
How much does it go for?
Like 40k.
Jesus, 40k. Good win, bro.
Too crazy. I guess I'm not too crazy.
See this guy.
This guy,
Bro.
Come up for it.
Alright, cool. No. Oh, look at that's this guy. What's his name? Paris guy. Yeah. Yo, check out the Supra. Yeah, he lives in a building. Isn't this guy, Suno? That Paris guy now.
Huh?
Paris guy.
Yeah. The thing about this guy I don't like is the interior. It's basic as hell.
But it looks mad though, can't lie.
Yeah.
Even the LED lights, bro.
The guy modded this now. He finished work for this guy, bro.
Shit.
He finished work. Does this show like?
Should. Are you wishing with them little?
I know there is. Thank you very much.
Huh? Oh, that's and it's tall, yeah.
Yeah?
And the guy is tall.
The guy is tall.
Yeah, I'm asking you. I think I've seen the car before. Yeah,
I don't know.
yeah, I've seen the car before.
I'm not sure, but it looks like this. Like this is how the car looks like.
Yeah, let's go check. Let's check other cars. Yeah, I want to record everything.
All the cars.
Not all
This Paris guy, right?
Yeah, that's the actual guy.
Wait, he's still.
Yeah, what you want to do, guy?
Guy,
Guy, see this end line.
Guy, crop. Are you going to crop it out?
Crop what?
The part I'm about to say.
What part? And then, again, I'm not cropping anything out, bro.
Okay, now.
Like, bro.
Okay, now.
Guy, they brought a baby to the car meet. They brought a baby to the car meet.
Everybody just park the stock cars for that side. Maybe the stock cars just did it.
Guy, let's check out this one, big. I pause. I think this is the new Winnipeg plate number.
There's not much difference.
Winnipeg, sure.
Or maybe just for the customized one.
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I've seen it on.
See regular Winnipeg.
This is regular. I've seen another one.
There's no difference.
Yeah, there is the French thingy. See, there's a difference. But yeah, that's Molly's zone. I told him to do a burnout, but the guy doesn't want
No,
to
they
do
won't do
anything.
it. They said no burnout now.
Oh, fair.
The end of the day, I was racing. The guy inside the car. Is anybody in the car?
No. So yeah, see another launcher. Oh yeah, this is the one I saw the last time. That has the respectfully. Yeah.
Don't touch my car. Bro, this is the guy I raced.
This one?
Yes, this guy.
No, I'm saying I've seen somebody coming up from this one, but I can't remember how the guy looks like. But guy, look at the Star Wars and everything,
Where?
the toys and everything.
Yeah.
It's cool. And you said the guy modded is like yeah.
I don't know. I think he's stock. I don't know.
Maybe it's stuff.
But he didn't sound stock. That's just. Eh? In sports mode, bro.
And she got you.
He got me, but the
Shit.
gap not crazy like that. No, nah, calm down.
He got you. Wait, no, isn't that the guy? Isn't it the guy
guy
wearing the
is on
singlets? Isn't that the guy wearing singlets?
I don't know, but he's
I
on
forgot. You're not wearing glasses.
He's on. Fuck you. I don't really move.
We just playing license back. You really drive your car and they move your car.
I know they move on, bro.
But yeah,
You reach
there's the
highway,
car meet.
better
There's also guys. Is that free barbecue or?
It's not free, bro. You're gonna tap. You tap that shit, bro.
Look at this dude, bro. Look at this dude. Which one?
Guy, I want to rematch, guy. I want a fucking rematch.
Guy, Western ID.
Hey, Miata. Nice.
It's really see me up past the back. Oh yeah, this is the barbecue place.
What if I don't know? Probably airflow. Yeah.
Yeah,
Obviously makes it.
you heard the sound of that car they make.
Which one?
This one.
Oh yeah, the Lexus.
Yes, bro.
That's the
Oh, get out, Jobber. Jobber is a box. Jobber is here.
Which car is this?
The Benz.
Where?
It just popped. Yeah. Yeah, this is actually calm, can't lie. Ah, this is Pablo. DJ Pablo.
What's up?
It's good.
Should have heard it.
Yeah, I said, Jobber should come here. Hmm? Wait, see something?
Nah.
Shit. Can't even put OV on this car. But yeah, basically, I can't. Right, this car means we're not allowed to do burnouts. What are we not allowed to do?
No bullshit.
Guys, look at the GT. Guys, you guys should come here big.
I don't think it's coming here.
Bro, let's move to him like, yo, please come here.
I
No
think
glazing.
I'll be the maddest car here.
Bro, obviously no. Guys, Theo no come.
Like making donuts.
Yeah, no, not exactly. Donuts you're moving. One out just
Man, oh shit. Bro, do you know that I actually forgot like the camera was on me, you get me? Yeah. Now look at this G. He just came in right now. Yeah. Guy just came in right now.
Oh my god, but good shit, bro.
See this guy. See this guy. See this guy. Bro. Baba say Olushi. Bro, guy, go to that side, bro. You see cars.
My gosh, I do.
See this dude, look at the interior, bro. Yeah, I see that photo YouTube.
Wagwan on YouTube, you know, repping the Benz community.
But yeah, the more cars coming, the more cars coming. This is like motivation, you know. This is motivation. Yeah, I just like cars. Yeah, bro. This is beautiful. See how the sun is hitting me? Eh? Oh, actually, all day from here, actually. Yeah. So back to saying, this some motivational type thing. Yeah. You can achieve anything if you set your mind towards it. You get see this boy.
Baba, they go somewhere later.
See this guy. Who would have thought?
Why you buy some?
Who would have thought that he would get these Benz, man?
He said that he forehead.
Bro, say something motivational to the people. You get me?
I'm no way, bro.
Where your keys, D?
My keys for car. Guy, don't put that in my face. Are you crazy? This guy go steal all your YouTube babes,
bro. Chill. Guy, where your key, guy?
Don't play with me.
Oh, this one. Yeah.
I don't even want to walk around. I go just look myself.
Don't go carry barbecue now.
Yeah, come back for me now. It's not for you. I should.
As I pull up, I just see this 8 series for years. Everything they even soap. I never even start, bro. People get money.
Bro, if you check out other cars there.
I don't even want it outside.
Come, we go that side.
See, everything. I feel leave the car down now.
Wind up. They go take something inside.
One less window now. They want me.
Yeah, if I park for that side.
Where you not park?
If I park for that side, we park there.
You park there.
You park there.
Yeah.
We park there. Guy, just go there, guy. Guy, let's go there. Guy, put your kidney for back, guy. Yeah. Guy, this feels like a spaceship, bro. Hey, guys, see my battery, man. Guy, this video is going to be so long. Yeah, I love the fact that, like, guys, see how the sun is hitting me, bro. Sunset type P, feeling like hot boy summer. Yeah.
From which side?
Just keep on, just go. You can find, but beside that Elantra. And see, that's my guy's car.
This guy, chef, he park for you.
Which way?
I want to yarn this guy's car.
No, not one.
Eh? I want to yarn this guy's car now.
See cars, bro. This guy's overfarming at this point. Says you take it slow. Baba, move
yeah,
this
they look us where I won't go.
Back there. This guy. Guy said, but to be fair, I think the bare bends in this thing, in this place.
In a riverside. Yeah, maybe you don't get petrol. I say.
This is yeah. See to do.
Man like Jumper.
Guy, the bro is steady.
I still the reverse. Bro, I agree to now for it.
But yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys later.
It's slow. Bring your phone though. He's saying it's slow.
Nah.
This guy's lying. Bring your phone. Chill.
But he
check
says
something.
that he was speeding, like he grabbed him.
I was on D.
Oh shit.
I was on Eco, sure. It was during the race I changed to like sports.
Yeah.
But like you already passed me, so it was pointless. I'm coming.
Damn. But what's the horsepower on it?
I can't say.
Ah!
I can't
Fizz.
say.
That's dope. Shit. Like, but you grabbed him though.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the guy was making more.
Huh? What year? 13. 2013, right? Nice.
Shit, that's dope. That's dope. Cool shit. Cool shit.
Wait.
Oh, you have a Nigerian save.
Yes, bro.
Where did you
This guy, he got switch.
If I get S5,
Bro.
I no go pass, I no go hear.
Yeah, did you hear the way he switch accents?
What?
The guy didn't. Shit, sorry. The guy's
Which guy?
Nigerian.
Which guy?
You get.
Oh, serious?
This guy, this guy don't get live. I say, bro.
You're Nigerian. Yes, this nigga, bro.
Yeah, say something Nigerian. Like,
I did been
How you gonna talk
bro,
accent
I
for
swear,
me?
guy. I thought you'd be like all those other countries and then you're just Canadian.
Bro, that's not fair, bro. You're pushing like 600, bro.
No, I'm not.
Bro, 600, bro. No, I'm not.
Oh, your name is Timmy?
Pocket horsepowers, bro.
Oh shit, me too. My name's Timmy.
Oh shit, what the
Yeah. Crazy
What the
shit.
hell? I'll put you 600, bro.
Hey, wait, shoot, I'm not sure. Let me check.
It's 555.
What's the name of game?
Yeah, I like your car, bro. Bro, I love your car, bro. Like, what do you do for a living?
Then you have a chance. Walk around and find.
Yeah, find out. Yeah.
So,
Yeah. 1 sec.
Guys want hot dogs or anything?
what?
Hot dogs?
Apparently, we heard that this stuff is spicy, right? So it's gonna try it.
Sorry.
Yeah, try it. We heard it's spicy, yo. Moment of truth. What do you think? Oh my guy is loud as fuck, bro.
I got an exam next week.
It's spicy. Bro, we're Nigerians, guy. This is light work, bro.
Bro, I
Light
can't eat this
work.
without water, bro.
Are you sure?
It's calm as fuck, bro.
Yo, I can take a drink there. I already paid. Alright, Coco. Oh shit. So, yeah, so we're gonna drive in this guy's car and everything. It's gonna be crazy shit. I just met the guy today. Crazy, bro. We can see shall. Go and check his horsepower. You hear me? Shit. Shit, hear the sound.
Huh? No, coming back. Yo, keep my spot, please.
Loki, I know he's gonna win, like if we rematch, but like, I just want to find out, right? What would you think? No.
He's gonna win you. You win, Shibo? Oh shit. Of course. I'm probably mine.
Safety first.
Let me take my drink.
Can you even now?
No, you just didn't warm up the car.
Okay, I'll be back. There's cops over there?
So go this way. Okay.
Which is E-Class is that?
Shit, I don't even know.
Something drunk.
bro.
Nah, I'm not gonna beat this, bro.
Yeah, hell no, you're not gonna be in this.
No,
You have a chance.
I mean, this car is heavier, bro. This car is heavier, right?
Without lunch, nah. The undercover?
Oh, fuck.
Yeah,
Bro,
undercover.
pops, bro. Crazy shit. The suspension is mad, bro.
Air suspensions.
Bro.
Air suspension is nice.
Same as my car.
I think it's also in Benz, right?
Yeah, they have it in Mercedes.
I think someone snitched. Because the cops were going this way, right? Shit.
I mean, it's a private property, so.
Oh yeah, they can't do shit. Are those burbles?
Yeah.
Holy shit. Damn.
Rips with 4 people in it. Crazy shit.
Yeah, 4 people deep.
Damn.
Oh, there's Alex. I gotta show Alex my tune.
Wait, where's your car? Which one?
The Beamer right there. There's cops
Yeah.
out, by the way.
That one right there?
Yeah.
Nice.
I see. Oh, she's a video. Yeah, so, hey guys, this is the night. Shedrock and Stoner about to race. Man, this is gonna be amazing. You get sorry, I'm also breathe because I ran from my room to the elevator, but yeah, let's see how the race goes.
So go enter that other road, come go to U-turn. Here you get.
Wait, till you get one do.
Drag race now.
So
To the second light, perimeter.
already.
Here you go different.
Why could change?
One of the change.
Here you go
I'm
different.
for Kuzi, bro.
Which car you want to?
I didn't son, you get that pricing for me, bro.
Oh, bro.
They fighting for me, bro.
Yeah, we're going now.
And active. No, I'm not sure. It's only 2 lanes now, so regardless, it's only 2 lanes. Yeah.
What's up, bro?
Huh?
Bro, you're entering that one.
Actually, oh shit. I don't know. It seems it's in front.
You can see it. Since you're doing video, right?
Oh, I know. So I see in front. I'm on to record.
Yeah, record.
Yeah. Are you ready, guys?
I'm not saying shit.
Alpha, close that, bro. How many people did that car?
Guys,
Oh, no, I don't even know.
This car full.
Yeah, it can slow us down. Go to back.
Eh?
Go to back.
why are you there?
No, one more day, that's why.
Enter the back now.
I'm recording, I can't record from the back. Yeah. I don't get POV already.
And I feel like taxi Mary run out.
Move your car. Oh yeah, Mark, get set, ready, go.
Guy, no escape.
See the candy for the muscle. Man.
210 is crazy, bro. 210 is crazy.
No need to race again. I beg, fight for my car.
We know the race
I know the race
again.
again, though.
Yeah, we don't get this.
I know they drive for 200 like that, I beg.
210.
The race they go out.
Crazy.
Oh, God.
Next light, yeah.
How my backlight be? Oh, God. What do you want race again? What time we next light? In the back.